To check and modify file permissions for your Outlook data file, start by locating the .pst or .ost file in File Explorer. Next, right-click on the file and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Security tab. Check that your user account has full control permissions listed. If full control is not granted, click Edit, select your account, and grant the necessary permissions. Underlying hard drive issues can cause corruption in Outlook data files. Running a disk check identifies and repairs these errors before they affect your files. When your hard drive has bad sectors or file system errors, it can lead to data corruption that makes Outlook unable to access its data files properly. To run the disk check, open Command Prompt with administrator privileges. Right-click the Start button and select Command Prompt Admin. Type the command task_f and press Enter. The /f flag fixes error/r recovers readable information, and C is your drive letter. The disk check can take several hours depending on drive size. You may need to schedule it for next restart if the drive is in use. Method 6 involves moving the Outlook data file to a new location to resolve access issues. First, create a new folder named Outlook Data on the C drive. Close Outlook completely to ensure the file is not in use. Navigate to the original location of the .pst or .ost file on your computer. Copy the .pst or .ost file from its current location. Paste the copied file into the new Outlook data folder you created. Open Outlook again. Go to File, then Account Settings, and select the Data Files tab. Select your email account and click Open File Location or Settings to change the file path. Browse to the new Outlook data folder location and select the copied .pst or .ost file. Finally, restart Outlook to apply the changes. To verify Outlook is not running in compatibility mode, start by right-clicking the Outlook shortcut or executable file. Then select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Uncheck the Run this program in compatibility mode 4 option if it is checked. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Finally, restart Outlook to apply the changes.